Welcome to Weekends in My Garage. In today's video, we're going to take a look at two new devices from Giraffe Tools. First up is the Grand Falls retractable pressure washer. This is the Pro model. I purchased this to replace the original Grand Falls retractable pressure washer I purchased a few years ago. Fantastic pressure washer. This new version of the pressure washer, the Pro, much more powerful, 3700 psi, 78 to 80 decibel reading, much quieter than the original version. And this is the reason why I upgraded, because I love power washing my car, but I don't want the whole entire neighborhood knowing that I'm power washing. And next up we have the Grand Storm retractable vacuum cleaner. I'm excited about this because it has a retractable hose, obviously, for convenience, but also from a convenience perspective, it has one-touch remote control action. So you don't have to go all the way back to the unit to turn it on or off or adjust the vacuum cleaner. You can do it from the remote control, which is in the handle. Really cool feature. I'm excited about using this. The final step in this project is to put these two devices on a utility cart for mobility purposes. I had my original power washer and vacuum on the wall, but it was taking up a lot of space. I figured, let me go make it mobile so I can actually use these devices not only in the garage and the driveway, but anywhere around my property. So here's a utility cart that I plan on using. As you can see, on the second level, I have my old Giraffe Tools power washer. I put that there because I wanted to see how it would fit and figure out how I want to, basically do the mounting of the power washer. And on the top level, I'll plan on placing the vacuum. And again, the end result hopefully will be a mobile unit that I can take anywhere along the driveway or anywhere along the property to do power washing as well as vacuuming. So I had some extra pieces of wood that I was able to put together to provide a frame so I can mount the two devices. So as you can see here, this is how I connected it to the utility cart. You spin it around. And there's the mounting bracket for the power washer. And this wall will act as sort of the wall for how we'll connect and mount the vacuum cleaner. So I've got the brackets up. I did not use the lag bolts, obviously, because I'm not installing this into studs. So I used 1.25 inch screws to properly secure the brackets, and it looks good. It should keep things nice and secure, so we'll see how it goes. Project completed. So let's take a look. We've got the pressure washer set up. Nice, everything is mounted, looking good. The wires are gathered all together. There is the mounting bracket I have connected to the utility cart. I'm probably going to paint this a dark gray or black to match the utility cart. And there are the accessories for the vacuum, all secure and mounted on the side for easy access. Looking good, looking good. And I like the little separated area here where I can place some things when I'm actually working on my car. And this area here is also used to drop down the dustbin as well. Really looking good. Also have this area here on the utility cart to put some things while I'm detailing my car. I really am liking this. So out with the old wall setup that had my old pressure washer from Giraffe Tools and this old Bissell Garage Pro, and in with the new, my mobile setup with my new retractable vacuum cleaner from Giraffe Tools, as well as the latest and greatest pressure washer from Giraffe Tools.
I can't wait to use this to detail my car and pressure wash various different places around my home. So until then, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Have a great weekend and great rest of the week.